Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing to you the news antiphons in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Oranges from ARDONG PHLANGWAR exported to Doha and Bahrain. NPP holds an annual general conference in BAGHMARA. NPP Women's Wing of JAIAW LAITDOM celebrates Christmas. And Nongpo village organizations receive awards from MAYRALBORN. And now the news in detail. It is a sense of pride for Meghalaya that the government, along with the Agriculture Department, had encouraged farmers to adopt fertilizers-free plantation of vegetables and fruits with just the usage of manure. This has been put to perspective with the arrangement of the Directorate of Horticulture to export fertilizers-free oranges from ARDONG PHLANGWAR, Maukarwat region. While speaking with the media persons, the Director of Horticulture, DC Sotun, informed that about 2 metric tons of oranges from ARDONG PHLANGWAR will be exported to Doha and Bahrain.
ARDONG PHLANGWAR Cooperative Society na Maukarwat Organic Cooperative Society na Maukarwat.
Kidon sans pa angot kinong rep hapo jongta, bat ke area kabaki ki rep kalong sans pa hektar.
Pabanong baka jaka ka buon sa nyamtra ka day na nangta
Kam dari boong bami buon u so nyamtra nangta henry kai ka bakila kini kinong rep katkum kanika guidelines ke jongi ni presang ban ban yarap yaki ha ka bakin le ya kanika organic kata ka rep klem dawai kacing sisa kini kim pat day ki fully organic ngidang le ya ka fasia in conversion ndengangit ba lakon nur ha kata ka yarap jongi ka hand holding ke jongi license ngin sala ken ban perlong yaki ki fully organic certified Hasimandre. Yamenta ukram la ban lej kum u organic sathi.
Kya ba yadai barka dor ka price chong ne
napo nangti napo ka FPO jongi ka badon hapo Maukarwat ngisiu yaki ha ka dor khat nyu tengka. Kata kamut mdei nadu ka baiso hadu ka labor charge bat kat ka badon kam hadu ba unda poi haga hati khat nyu tengka.
Khat nyu tengka we.
sathi song dok na ta
Kum ka jingtip ka bangayo unong rep uyo aspo tengka we.
And annual General Conference of the National People's Party Meghalaya was held in BAGHMARA on 16 December 2022. The event saw the presence of the Honorable MLA of North Turan, former Rajya Sabha MP and Chief Advisor to HCM, Shri Thomas A. Sangma, MLA of William Nagar and Chief Whip Government of Meghalaya, Shri Marcus and Marak, MLA of Rongara Siju, LAC, Shri Rakam A. Sangma, former MLA of Songsak and General Secretary of NPP Shri Nihim D. Shira, MDC of GHADC Siju and NPP SGH District President Shri Albinush R. Marak, MDC of GHADC Silky Grey Shri Singbat R. Marak, District President West Garo Hills District Shri J.D. Sangma, Secretary West Garo Hills District NPP Shri Matthias and Marak, Co-Chairman of Meghalaya State Health Advisory Board and NPP State Vice President Shri Sato Marak. The program ended with a vote of thanks and a huge round of applause from thousands of NPP workers who were present at the event. The NPP Women's Wing 17 North Shillong Meghalaya constituency on the 16 December 2022 celebrated the advanced Christmas celebration in JAIAW LAITDOM Community Hall. The pre-Christmas celebration was thrilling with the presence of men, women, young boys and girls and children. Ransom Sutanga was part of the celebration and brought excitement in JAIAW LAITDOM by cutting off the Christmas cake and blending in with the people. Christmas presents were gifted to early children and differently abled people.
Kadung kajing patay bisa sayang dion pa unis uranda berentang uhe saupo NM mamdai NM dari kenya kata kabenta nomor 10 million NM long share uni ulah penting bersebut bat ulah hangna lagi kamtam ini kum ki bangen bat kum ki kristan
MAYRALBORN's aim on the 16 December 2022 handed awards to 3 village organizations who have served the society and who are under this constituency being promised to receive awards for excelling in working for the society as per the announcement of the winners made by the organizers of Umlingsin RD block. The 3 village organizations who received the awards includes Kinthuplang Village Organization from Maulong with first place, Yasnoktilang Village Organization from Maupra with second place, and Yasnoktilang Village Organization from Nyangbari Lom with the third place. The village organizations received mementos and a bag of money gifted by the MLA himself. The intention behind the awards was to encourage the village organizations present in different villages to work with sincerity in the society in order to uplift each other.
Kamlunai aspa arang lain di bagi badan gini ko mo kong lagi dan aspa dari tadi banjir lagi ni kam terus dan dia so mana aku beli di kiwi biur kiba musuh na dorang bagi dia di lambat dari kelak pakai kubur so pun pak kecil kok kerugian mau hiu kibiu kemudian hanya senang hotel long cok.
As the 2023 elections approaches, leaders all over the state are slogging to gain the people's trust and eventually their votes. Trinamool Congress Legislature Party leader and leader of opposition to Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Dr. Mukul Sangma organized a free medical camp offering clinical guidance to local residents of Songsak at Songsak Agit Dogre Upper Primary School Playground on the 16th December 2022. During this free medical camp, the people were impressed since they can't avail to services provided to them for free. Along with concerned gestures, the villagers also received medicines to their advantage. Leaders of the Safe Nyothrap mission on the 16th December 2022 burned the effigy of the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Preston Tinsong, for his poor judgment, stating that Block 2 falls under Assam. This act of defense from SHM is due to the rage for his poor judgment. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.